we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ikasnong nongi kwayo sngo bhan ikasnong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hinasnong ikimat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kadi ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha jalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi angnut ngiru hangni Shuaban take up yung project. Day ban shoot ho bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kini ki project. Net yang nga opi kabakadu ka jing mantoy. Kanlong yang ki konsama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.
Iyop siya top 20 ke Sawlyngdoh HSS Secondary School Mowkaiaw West Giant Hill District hakasin wa ar younger result SSLC embos ite house nem arhaja arpawi wa how news nem arhaja arponru to langba na ki arngut ki bachi payutri ki bachong wasa Mowkaiaw hi wante bok pator wa yo hekerdan second position house nem arhaja arpawi wa how news nem arhaja arponru wan ka dia yang o ka Jenita Pator ka bade yo hekerdan 5th position. Kini ki arngut cipayu to ki kon yong uday bor misten wa ka kong bari pator kawaman le ka wasikai hagani ka skur Sawlyngdoh hei wakat ni daman ka kam ka principal. Kamte hajrong iyop si top 20 biang ka skur ho news nem nei liang ka skur chirup ka Mowkaiaw Pensioner Association Giant Hills branch ne ka sngi da Pynkup burom ki ya ka Jenita Pator hagaya lang wa palai daw si nongrum hapchem ka skur chirup im lang ki wasikai ki dkhot SMC ki khanna skur. Uwasikai yang kani ka skur uyumesh sing hawakana hajrong iyo yang ya ka Jenita kam ka khanna skur ong wam employ perkhat wa ka khanna ka wam ju bun ktin wei ka wasngau suk o chong bai chadin do gi ben hapo kamra kelas upoy ka hadu kani ka kerdan wei ipoy ka Jenita ha kani ka kerdan dapen sekhiat wa ki khanna wa pure ha ki skur nong kendong le mmd sa din gi han le cibun i wam biang hawa werchau wa ki skur wa hasor. Ka principal yang ka skur ka waman le ka bay yang ka Jenita Pator hawa kelam onggo house nem arhajar khatsan ka kon wanang kong yang ka nagani hi ka skur do top 20 ko de waduna san marks don hi han le is ngau diaw le tang wayang be ki yei por we house nem arhaja arpawi u kon waso yang ka dara namu ya ka skur de yo hiker dan second position we ha ka tai ka por ka skur em yo alat ko le kamen ne bha to ka por lockdown. Kam tes ngangu ko yo balai wam ME no uya kani ka skur hei wa ha kani ka kenti sa ka khon wa khaddo yong ka de yo an go ha ka 5th position iwaman ikmen wa khro ya ka skur open man le ye ni Pynkup burom ya ka Jenita Pator hawa kalam de ikublay ko ya ki wasikai ki wa hayong asem kam ju ki prakan na skur wa to lang ba yong lang yong ki chrup ikerchan yong ki poy ka jagani ka thong Sngau komen gale wa ini Pynkup burom to mensin ya ka hei laluti wa chaprang yo ko yo ka thong warap chakmat we wo le bha chu deban jor haro ko hajrong kam wo man ki wa perchang ne bha la de waro man i wasung mtip na sngau tho ye bor ye tang wa hawa tang kho chibuni ye le wo le rabha nei te ong go wa kam wo ye yumut yu perkhat warap her we wo man ki ye yai cha ha ga wan ka benta kiwi wan be kalam kentu kan pham yagani ka khanna kamju le yakiwi tawan ki khanna skur wobut ya kanong muna yong ka kantup vice president ka Mowkaiaw Pensioner Association Giant Hills branch uw Langdo udkhot ka SMC uhei pormi lalu wa kiwi
Let's give a big round of applause.
Excellence is never an accident. It is the result of high intention and sincere effort. So remember, any achievement can never be an accident. We can get it after our long effort, with sincere effort. So with our sweetest appreciation, we are proud to honor Jenita Pator for securing 5th position in the SSLC examination 2026 conducted by Mowkaiaw Board of School Education and obtaining 95.16% marks with distinction in all the subjects. Your perseverance and dedication have truly led to this incredible success. Best wishes from teaching and non-teaching Sawlyngdoh HSS Secondary School Mowkaiaw, West Jenita Hills.
I want to thank God because He's graced my life with this opportunity that I know are not of my hand or any other human hand. Without His grace, none of this would have been possible. I would also like to thank my family because they've always believed in me and encouraged me, and that instilled in me the value of education, hard work, perseverance, patience, and discipline. I would also like to offer my deepest gratitude to my teachers. They've provided me with the confidence to figure things out, take risks, walk into rooms that challenge me, embrace discomfort and uncertainty, and to trust that I'm capable of more than I think. It is through their dedication and hard work that I'm able to be who I am today. My dear teachers, you're like a candle that gives light to others, a gardener who nurtures seedlings with great care so that they can grow and bear good fruits. My friends, you are also an important part of this journey of mine. Your companion, support, encouragement have all been very important to me, and together we have created memories, and I will always cherish them. To all the members of the SMC of Sawlyngdoh Higher Secondary School and the Mowkaiaw Pensioner Association, Joy Branch, I thank you for organizing this program because truly it inspires students like me to aim higher and strive for excellence. Your recognition, support, and encouragement means a lot. The journey of class 10 was no fairy tale for me. The feeling of being confused, not knowing where to begin, how to start, and getting lost numerous times. I never had the perfect routine. But my friends, it's never about the perfect routine. I may get lost, but I was resilient. All you need is resilience, consistency, perseverance. We should never be ashamed of trying. The truth of trial is that they are natural, and we will face them in our everyday journey. The truth about trial is that they reveal our true strength. When everything is easy, we don't know what we are capable of. But when we face many challenges, we are pushed beyond our limits. We need to think differently and adapt to situations. One important truth about the trial. Another truth about trial is that trial helps growth. Without trial, growth is limited. It cannot be achieved properly. Another thing about trial is that it cannot be achieved without failure. It is a process. Trials help us to perfect ourselves. Many successful people have not achieved their goals without trials. It is the trials who make us the person who we are. So don't be afraid of failure. You should not be afraid of failure, but you should, however, do your best to avoid it. This achievement of mine is not alone. It is the collective work of all, my friends, my teachers, and my family. Success has taught me that it is not about the destination, but it's about the journey we take to get there. It's about learning from the failures and keeping our spirits when we feel down. Success is about consistent hard work, dedication, determination, discipline, and the courage when everything is difficult.
She was in the class 10. She is very simple, very quiet, very competitive, but very keep silent. Most of the time she is preferred to the backside of the classroom, in backside also to the corner of the classroom. But usually, we the teacher are thinking, are hoping, those students who are sitting in the back rows of the room are not the good student. But Jenita is not like that. Always prefer to the backside. But while she was in the classroom, she never talked. She never disturbed to the classroom, to their friend, and to the teacher also. Very attentive. But whenever we ask any kind of the question, then at the past time, she is the one to be always rising and give the always correct answer. Then later on, slowly, especially myself, I know this student is having some kind of the quality so that she can achieve better in the next. Then later on, day by day, after knowing her performance, then the question is, I was asking always to the last to her, till the students are not possible to give the reply. But during that time also, she is the one always giving the good reply. Sometimes whenever we are giving any classwork, homework, and when we are correcting and checking her answer, really, I really surprised it. Sometimes the answer she wrote, sometimes the answer she replied is out of our expectation. Sometimes it is better than what I was thinking about the answer also. So like that type of the student she is having. So due to this her competency and understanding and application, determination and preservation, she achieved her best to the result of this, the whole Meghalaya result. So therefore, my dear students who are at the present in our school also, please try to follow her footsteps.
As a last child in my house, my family, she is only with me. She did not study all the time. She used to do household work. She used to help me in washing, cleaning, cooking for in the morning or in the afternoon. But she knows the time. If there is any homework, she will not miss. So we have to be success. We have to have time management. We have to know how to manage time. You divide the time, because if we study the whole day also, maybe will become what? Dull. We need exercise, we need practice, we need to do something. So don't think that she is spending her time from morning to night in study. She has done a lot of work at home also. So the more we do, I think the more activities we do, it will help to refresh our brain. But we need consistency. What is the meaning consistency? continuous, we have to put continuous effort. You should not study only one day full and then you will stop for 1 week. So remember, my dear student, we need consistency.
I would like to say that how we come over to this Felicitation program, there are 3 components. That is the toppers, the student, number 2, the guardian or the parents, number 3 is the school and the management, the school managing committee and the school. These are the 3 components. It is due to Jenita, student, who have been hardworking, reaching to the school.
I would like to thank God Almighty for the abundantly blessing He has bestowed upon us. For the last year, 2025, one of our students, with his blessing, we could achieve this. And as it's written there in the flex, Miss Jenita Pator from our school, she secured 5th position in the MBOS out of 48,000 plus. It's not an easy. So for that, she is really deserved this felicitation program from us here. And I say, Miss Jenita, you have bring great glory and honor to our school. So you are the source of glory to our school.